Basically we have one when we do yarn install that over here and yarn build, it will generate one index HTML file in this folder. So we wanted to copy all these files, all the links and all the scripts below the app, and wanted to replace it with admin API home file and just copy paste it to here. I mean scripts folder here and links folder here. So basically what we do, we'll just check out, we'll just do a yarn install, then we'll do a yarn build, we'll copy all the dist and CSS and JS folder to Azure Blob Storage, and this bamboo dot keys will show you where we are getting this. After that I have wrote the PowerShell script like go to EAUI inside admin and then list then index copy dot get the substrings. I mean, as I said that copy all links from here to here. So it will do it, will do some and will replace it inside the admin.api homes. So this is PowerShell script. Then do a .NET restore, then do a .NET publish, and then this is Octopus. We will come to this part, but whatever variables you have seen, I have configured it over here, like, and this is where we are able to get it, like this view app cd and admin. So you can see that you can see that over here I have used it bamboo.view.publicpath.admin, and same like here. So after that, once the publish has been done, we'll have to pack it. So when we installed Octopus, uh, by default inside the profile we'll have to generate API keys. So this is just a one time generate. We cannot edit it and we cannot see that. So you can generate multiple keys multiple times. So just generate a new key, copy that, and use Octopus CLI over here. As you know, we have added it as a server capabilities. What you wanted to name admin package ID, like package will come over here. See, this is admin.api. So you will see how we are able to get it. So just this is the package name, this is by default. So every package will generate like 1.0.2.6. It will increment the number, zip it, and from where to get it. I mean, I know that inside the bamboo working directory, go inside the admin API, inside bin release .NET core and publish, and then copy that, copy all that, name it as admin API, and push it to localhost, this localhost API key which I just showed you earlier, and this is the space name. So this is space name. By default you will get a default namespace which you can edit it easily and name it. I have named it USA staging. So give a USA staging. What folder we need to push package. So whatever something you find inside any folder like 1.0 and bamboo build number with zip name, push it to this Octopus. After that I have added one command saying create release. We will see this part. Will later on show you how we do a release deployment. With same mobile has the similar steps, like exactly the same which I did. And with web jobs, I mean web jobs is another separate solution folder inside web jobs over here. So we have said that check out the code, .NET restore, .NET publish, project name, .NET publish project name, again push it with name, this is name, from where to get it, bamboo build, a working directory, EA, web job, bin, release, and publish. Push the package, API key, localhost URL, and this will come to the create release part. So this is it. I mean, I will just show you the for a moment. I will show you the admin only. Let me disable this part. So now, as I said that you can easily change the space name. You must have got it by default. Only one name default by which you can easily rename it. I don't know why it's sitting. So this is the default one, and just change the name over here. I kept it USA staging. So inside that, first of all, what we need to do is we are using the Azure.